Al Khair Foundation has been fulfilling the needs of tens of thousands of Rohingya refugees by provisioning food, access to clean water, sanitation solutions, and weather-resilient shelter tents. The Rohingya have already made perilous journeys, having traveled across harsh environments, whether by land or sea, leaving everything they once knew behind. Many have lost loved ones, either to the violence in Myanmar or to the treacherous journeys. Within the refugee camps of Cox's Bazar, Bangladesh, the Rohingya remain mostly underserved. There are increased risks to the safety of the most vulnerable and high chances of spreading disease and infection when living in extremely concentrated and overcrowded spaces. This is why Al Khair Foundation has been providing large-scale, weather-resilient shelter tents, able to provide safety, privacy, and shelter to large families or groups of Rohingya. These large constructs provide many widows and their children adequate space for safety in numbers. Assist Al Khair Foundation in setting up hundreds more of these shelter tents and restore the dignity and family privacy of the Rohingya. Protect those who are exposed to the elements by calling now on 03000 999 786 or give online at alkhair.org.